Ever wished your content could speak every language without sounding fake or robotic? Imagine your own video, voice, or avatar translated in real time while keeping the same tone, emotion, and expressions. That's not the future. That's Akool, one of the most advanced AI platforms for global communication and personalization. Welcome to TotallyAI, the channel where we break down the smartest AI tools that help creators, brands, and entrepreneurs work faster and smarter. Akool is a next-gen generative AI platform built for translation, localization, and personalized content creation. It doesn't just translate your words, it adapts your voice, lip sync, and expressions with stunning accuracy. Think of it as your all-in-one AI translator, voice actor, and content localizer. With Akool, you can translate full videos in real time while keeping your natural tone, sync lip movements and facial expressions seamlessly with AI avatars, personalize content at scale for customers, teams, or entire audiences, build immersive brand experiences with generative avatars and AI voice cloning. And all of this comes inside a simple, design-friendly interface anyone can use. Akool isn't just a time saver. It's about scaling your voice, your story, and your brand while keeping it human. By blending automation with authenticity, it makes global communication feel natural. If you want to take your content worldwide without losing quality, you've got to try Akool. I've linked the website below so you can test it yourself. And don't forget, subscribe to TotallyAI to discover more AI tools that give you an edge. Thanks for watching. This is TotallyAI, turning cutting-edge AI into practical tools for creators, founders, and innovators. See you in the next one.